Wow, this is different. It's been about a year since I've picked up this camera for this channel. If you guys don't know who I am, my name is Carlos, aka Charlie. My now wife gave me that name. 2021, I had a baby. My wife had the baby. We now have a baby. Got married. A lot has happened since I've ever even been on here. I don't even know if anybody's gonna watch this, but today is January 5th, 2022. Oh look, it's 222. Go, go, go. January 2022 at 2:22 p.m. That's gonna tie in very nicely with what I'm gonna talk about today, right? Maybe not today, maybe the next video. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I want to get right into this video. So you guys might be wondering, like, what is this guy doing? As you can tell by the title, well, my wife and I decided to start a business, a clothing brand. I know. It's one of the most saturated type of businesses there is out there. Everybody and their mom is making t-shirts and hoodies and sweaters and crew necks and all that. But I want to give it a shot, specifically using specific equipment. We're starting on a pretty good budget. I wanna say I'm spending a little bit more than the average money. Like, you can start off with stuff that's a little bit cheaper than what I got. So right now we're currently still working on like registering our business. It's gonna be a clothing brand, right? I don't want to tell you guys a name yet until everything is said and done. I do want to show you guys I just got a package. This should be fun. I've never done this. I've never used any equipment to make a shirt, a sweater, nothing. I've never, ever. It's my first time doing it, so I have to learn this stuff from the ground up. I know how to use like Shopify, so I could like make the website. I could take photos, I could shoot video, like all that marketing stuff is gonna be like cool. Like, I know how to do it already, so I have a little advantage there. But starting with this channel, starting with these videos, I'm gonna be showing you guys how we are building this business from like nothing. It's zero sales, it doesn't even exist yet, and I wanna see how far we can take it. The goal I wanna say for this year would be to make at least $10,000. I know that's a lot to start up on something that you've never done before, but I think 10,000 is kind of like, all right, cool. Follow along, because hey, you never know, if this business does succeed, maybe you guys can learn like what you guys need to start a business like this, like all the material, the tools, and how to do certain things, and where do we go create shipping labels, and what do I need to do to ship stuff out, or where do I get the stuff to put the sweaters in, or how do I make a sweater, or how do I even remove a tag, you know, like every little thing is I'm gonna be learning, and I'm gonna be showing you guys how I'm doing it. Of course, there's other people that have different ways of doing it. There's different ways of doing a clothing brand, and you can go to a place to get it done. But we wanted to take a hands-on approach to learn everything and to like feel and go through the whole entire process. Cause I don't know, I like to get my hands dirty. I like to be involved in everything. I want to learn everything that I can in a business, and then, you know, work my way up into like, you know, just leveling up every single time. So let's go unbox the first piece of equipment that we're gonna need to get this brand off the ground, up and running, baby. I'm excited. Are you guys excited? Let me know. Oh, there goes the baby crying. Oh my God, there she is. There she is. Shout out to Heat Press Nation right here. Please handle with care, because this baby is fragile. Let's get this bad boy in. Here she is. Brand new heat press. This is pretty big. I have no idea where I'm gonna put this, but we're gonna figure it out. We're gonna get a little set up, and let's open this bad boy. Let's get her open. Do not discard this box or packaging required for warranty service. Ooh. I gotta keep this box. Why can't I just go drop it off? There you have it, guys. This is an M press. I got this from Heat Press Nation. This one was about, I think it was like $430. I was just like, you know what? I can get something on Amazon for like half that price, but after doing research and like reading reviews and things like that, I was like, you know what? Let me just invest a little bit more money to get something that's gonna last me like longer, because what I was reading about like Amazon, a lot of times, you know, they break down, they don't last you, you know, a year. So that's just based off like reviews and stuff that I was reading and watching like videos on YouTube, like reviews. And so I decided, like, you know, I don't want to go through that. I want to have something that's gonna last me. Hopefully, you know, we're gonna get enough orders from people that we're gonna be running this thing all the time. And you know, I have a game plan as far as like trying to get sales and stuff, because I'm not just making like random t-shirts that say like, you know, happy Halloween and shit like that. Like, we're not doing that. It's gonna be an actual brand. So, you know, we have to build that community of for the brand and make people aware that we exist. So it's gonna be tough, but it's not impossible. So we're just gonna leverage social media that we have right now, and hopefully with that we can have a nice little head start with it. But guys, this is what we're using. Again, I'm a newbie. I've never done this. I don't even know what temperature we're supposed to transfer the vinyl onto. If you guys have any tips, if you guys are already like pros, or you guys have already used stuff like this and you guys have any tips for me, let me know in the comments below, because I am 1000% open to you know, tips and feedback and things like that. Total right now, that's what we spent with this. We're getting a vinyl cutter coming in, and like material. Well, this is even before getting like actual like shirts, hoodies and stuff like that. Maybe like $700. We're starting from nothing. We don't have anything for this type of business. It's not even including like, I still need to buy like packaging. I still need to buy the marketing stuff, like, you know, thank you cards. I mean, all that stuff is not needed, but that's how we want to do it. And again, I'm gonna take you guys through that process of like where I'm getting them, how I'm designing them, what we're doing to design these hoodies, like everything. So if you are, you know, interested in seeing where we could take this business, or you just want to follow along to see if some of the stuff that I do can help you in your business, you're gonna hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys on the next video. We're gonna be posting at least once a week. Once we start getting, you know, orders and things like that, where we're able to like set up, that's gonna be nice. Also, I gotta find a place to put this bad boy, because to be honest, guys, I didn't think this was gonna be this big. This is pretty big, and mind you, just had a baby. Okay, so we're sharing the room with our baby right now because we have only one bedroom, and my little office is inside the bedroom. So I'm planning to put this in my room. I have no idea how I'm gonna do it, but don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next one.